Salone, Salone, now we on. Salone for me, Salone for you. Salone.
What it do, 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 you guys? What it do, baby? What it do, gang? What it do, baby? It's your boy BK Robert, you guys. B to the K with another Diana reaction video. So, guys, we are about to do Blizzard. You feel me? Blizzard. So, guys, anyway, how do you guys like my new setting? Okay, so guys, this is a setting that I'm testing out again and see how it is. You feel me? So let me know in the comment section below at the end of this video if you guys like this type of setting, or I should go back to my regular way how I normally does my videos. You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see my iPod right here, this is my finger. So you guys can see hi, I'm waving at you guys. I'm here too. You feel me? So yeah. Okay, but anyway, you guys, let's check the song out, okay, by Diana. Let's go. Blizzard. Ooh, I feel cold right now. Blizzard. Ooh. Let's check this out, yo. And make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share. Damn. Look at that, yo.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишину сводит с ума.
Yo, I swear the last video that I did, you know what I'm saying, it is wicked game. Okay, man, one of the judges did the exact same thing that judge just did. You know what I'm saying? He pressed the buzzer right away, boom, without any time wasted. He's just like boom. You know what I'm saying? So it is the exact same reaction. It's funny because like she's a good singer, man. Like she's wonderful. You know, like she has this deep, beautiful, heavy voice. You know what I'm saying? And also in the beginning, how she started like slow. You know what I'm saying? Like real slow. You know what I'm saying? And then just exploded. But anyway, let's continue. Yo, it's like we just have to appreciate our talents, man. You know what I'm saying? Like we just have to appreciate our gift, you know. Look at that. Listen, man, I don't speak Russian, you know, and I don't understand what the hell she's saying, but I can tell that like the song is good. I can tell because when it's, listen, man, even if you don't speak the language, okay, when someone is singing, you know what I'm saying, and that person has a beautiful voice, you would love the sound of the music that person is singing. You know what I'm saying? How it sounds, the instrumentals, you know what I'm saying? All of that. You know, even though you don't speak the language, because of how the music make you feel, because it is good, because of that person's voice. You know what I'm saying? That is exactly, who this song is about. Yes, I don't speak Russian, but I can tell that she's a good singer, and I have did other videos on her. You know what I'm saying? So I already know. You know what I'm saying? And her voice alone is just breathtaking, you guys. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's continue. Wow. Okay, you guys, that was the Diana Blizzard. You know what I'm saying? So guys, now I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen and get me some Blizzard drinks, okay? But anyway, let's talk, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful performance. You know what I'm saying? All the judges just got mind blown. Sorry, all the judges got mind blown. Poof, you know what I'm saying? Because how she did, how she performed, you know what I'm saying? And how she deliver those notes with her voice, just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it was another masterclass performance by Diana. Okay, well, you guys, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and share. I'm out. And let me know in the comment section below, how do you guys like this? You know what I mean? Let's get it, baby.